Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will cover Vizag Steel Junior Trainee previous year papers. This is part 3 of this series. Already in part 1 and part 2 up to question 52 I solved, and question 53 to 90 I will solve in next. The question is, the operation of finishing and sizing a hole produced by drilling and boring is known as option A chamfering, B forming, C rimming, D filling. Rimming is the answer. This question was asked so many times in PSU examinations. So rimming is the answer. Question is, which of the following is done at the end of a drilled work in the operation of beveling? A grinding, B hammering, C countersinking, D forging. First you will drill this portion, then in countersinking this portion you will machine. You have to remove this portion in countersinking. So finally you will get this shape. So answer is countersinking. Question is, the property which enables one material to cut another material is referred as A brittleness, B hardness, C ductility, D toughness. B is the answer, hardness. Next question, which of the following factors affect the life of a cutting tool? Cutting speed V, then depth of cut and chip thickness, feed, depth of cut D. For life of cutting tools, all are important. Speed, feed and depth of cut, all are important. Question 57. Overhauling the machine means A. Refitting of machines after cleaning and oiling, oiling of parts, repairing and adjusting the repaired part. This is the answer. Washing the parts in water and kerosene. This is also not possible. C is the best example of a semi-liquid lubricant is A. Graphite solid lubricant, grease is the answer. Lard oil and castor oil both are liquid lubricants. Which of the following is an example of anti-friction bearing? Anti-friction bearing examples are roller bearing and ball bearing. So from options, A. footstep bearing, not possible. B. split bearing, C. rolling bearing. C is the answer. Plumber block also not possible. The threads on the lead screw of a lathe are called A. acme thread, B. square thread, C. knuckle threads, D. buttress threads. This is a very important question, so many times asked in other examinations. So answer is acme threads. Lead screw acme threads. Question is, which of the following belts is or are suitable for cross belt drives? A. V belt drive, not possible. B is the answer. Flat belt. C. running belt. All of these also not possible. B is the answer. Fixtures are employed for holding work in A. drilling operation, B. rimming operation, C. tapping operation, D. milling operation. Answer is milling operations. Milling fixtures we are using on the table for holding the workpiece. For A, B, C options, mostly we are using jigs. Next question, capstan knot can be rotated by A. T-spanner, B. pin spanner, C. ring spanner, D. double-ended spanners. And capstan knot, this is the figure of capstan knot. caster nut is in the form of a cylinder with holes drilled in the curved surface. These holes can be used to turn the nut but placing a tummy bar in it. So these are the small holes. These are holes. If you want to rotate, here options are how you can rotate. A T-spanner, this is the figure of T-spanner, and pin spanner, this is pin spanner. Here this pin spanner, in this end, you just insert this end inside this hole, then you rotate. So answer is pin spanner. And for ring spanner, spanner will be like this. Here one side you will get one ring, other side also one more ring you will get. This is ring spanner. And double end spanner, like this. This common spanner what we are using in our house also, double end spanner. So option B is the answer. The instrument used to measure high temperatures in a furnace is known as A. Thermometer, not possible. B. Pyrometer. C. Calorimeter. D. Barometer. So B is the answer, correct answer. Most of the answers they are from, most of the questions they are from production only. So you concentrate in production paper. Corrosion is a dash property of metal. A. Mechanical. B. Physical. C. Chemical. D. Electrical. C is the answer. Which of the following is the best example of gravity fed lubrication? This is little bit difficult question. A. Grease gun lubrication. B. Wick lubrication. C. Splash lubrication. D. Telltale lubrication. B is the answer. Wick lubrication is gravity fed lubrication. So this question is from lubrication means, I think this is from design of machine elements. This is also a machine design questions. A union is used in a pipeline to separate the connection by distributing the unit. B. Separate the connection without disturbing the unit. B is the answer. C. Make a line branch at right angle. D. Provide another channel. B is the answer. This is also machine design questions. A loose pulley is that which A. runs rapidly, B. runs independently, C. has V-shaped grooves, D. is none of these. A loose pulley is that, answer is runs independently. B is the answer. In case of a direct load connection, the rivets are subjected to direct shearing stress. A is the answer. For tensile stress, plate is subjected to tensile stress. This question is very important for all examinations. Even if IAS also they are asking this type of question. Ductile materials produce A. No chips, not possible. B. Continuous chips which built up edge, this is also possible. C. Discontinuous chips, not possible. Rare case, discontinuous chips they are producing. And curly chips, this is also possible. So B, C, D, 3 are possible. But most appropriate answer is D, curly chips. Machining of ductile metals generally produces flat, curved, and coiled continuous chips. For different conditions, for different chips, all are important. For discontinuous chips, brittle material, maximum time they are giving discontinuous chips. And for ductile materials, if they are giving discontinuous chips, cutting conditions are large feed and tool rack angle is negative, feed is large, tool rack angle is negative, and cutting fluid is absent or inadequate. And for continuous chips, cutting conditions are without built up edge or BUE in short form. Material is ductile material, cutting velocity is high, feed is low, rack angle is positive and large. And if built up edge will form in continuous chip, with built up edge, material is ductile material, velocity is medium velocity, feed is large. All three conditions are very important for all examinations. Next question. The instrument which has all the features of tri-square, bevel protractor, rule and scriber is called A. Outside micrometer, B. Depth gauge micrometer, C. Vernier caliper, D. Combination set. D is the answer. This is also very important question. So many times asked in other examination. Depth micrometer is a special micrometer used to measure a depth of the holes. Yes, possible. With the depth of grooves and recesses, this is also possible. The height of shoulders or projections, this is also possible. So, all of these is the answer. D is the answer. The chisel used for cutting key wedge is A. Flat chisel, B. Cape chisel, C. Round nose chisel, D. Diamond pointed chisel. B is the answer. Cape chisel. For diamond pointed chisel, V grooves is the answer. Then drills are usually made of A. High speed steel, B. alloy steel, C. High carbon tool steel, D. Tungsten carbide. A is the answer. Drills are usually made of high speed steel or a HSS. Here question is the angle between the tool face of the tool and line tangent to the machined surface at the cutting point is known as this angle, clearance angle. D is the answer. Leap angle is here. Rack angle, this is rack angle. Question is ceramic tools are made from A. Aluminum oxide, C. Silicon carbide, B. Tungsten oxide, D. None of these. Aluminum oxide is the official answer. Question 77. The process of embossing a diamond shaped pattern on the surface of a workpiece known as A. knurling, B. chamfering, C. reaming, D. polishing. A is the answer. Knurling. This is also very important question. For which of the following operation in a lathe the slowest speed is adopted? This question was asked in ISRO examination also. For which of the following operations on a lathe the slowest speed is adopted? A. plane turning, B. taper turning, C. thread turning. C is the answer. D. undercut. The difference between the maximum limit of size and the minimum limit of size is, if this is a shaft, this is basic line, then maximum limit of size and the minimum limit of size is, this is maximum limit, this is maximum limit, this is minimum limit. So this is fundamental deviation from basic size to maximum limit. This is fundamental deviation. Then tolerance is the difference between maximum limit and minimum limit. So C is the answer. Question is, the ability of a metal to resist fracture due to high impact loads is A. Strength, B. Stiffness, C. Toughness, D. Brittleness. C is the answer. When the surface of grinding wheel develops a smooth and shining surface, it is said to be A. Loading, B. Glazing, C. Truing, D. None of the above. Glazing is the answer. Smooth and shining surface. Glazing is the answer. This one already discussed. A diamond pointed chisel is used for cutting a flat surface. B. Groove, C. Keyway, D. V-shaped groove. V-shaped grooves is the answer. Sheet metal operation. This is also very important. The operation of cutting a flat sheet to the desired shape is called A. Shearing, B. Piercing, C. Punching, D. blanking. Blanking is the answer. This is very important for SSC and other examinations. The cupola is used to manufacture A. Pig iron, B. cast iron, C. wrought iron, D. steel. First, charge. Here charge means ore plus coke plus flux will add in blast furnace. We will get pig iron. The input is charge to the blast furnace, output is pig iron. Here we are mixing air, slag and gas. Then from pig iron, for different furnace, you will get different product. From pig iron, if you use it in puddling furnace, you will get wrought iron. From pig iron, if you take it to cupola furnace, you will get cast iron. In open hearth furnace, from pig iron, you will get steels. And in Bessemer converter also, from pig iron, you will get steels. All four are important for all examinations. Question is, feed is the distance a drill advances into the work in A. 1 complete rotation, B. 1 second, C. 1 minute, D. 2 minutes. A is the answer. Washers used for locking the nuts are A. Taper washer, B. Spring washers, C. Tab washers, D. Toothed lock washers. For locking the nuts, we are using spring and locking washers. So from options, B is the answer, spring washer. The property of a material of permanently extending in all directions without rupture by hammering and rolling is called as B. Malleability is the answer. Question is, the surface to be machined is marked on the pattern by A. red color, B. yellow color, C. black color, D. blue color. If you refer P. N. Rao book, surface not to be machined and left as cast, color code is red or orange, and surface to be machined, color code is yellow. So B is the answer. The operation of cutting a cylindrical hole in the sheet of a metal by punch and dies is called as A. shearing, B. piercing, C. punching, D. blanking. C is the answer. The tools used for the purpose of necking, soldering, making grooves and drawing down are A is hammer, B. fuller, C. bolster, D. all of these. B is the answer. So 90 questions complete. 90 questions you have to answer in 90 minutes. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.